Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to use Revolut virtual card. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So if you're wondering how you could actually use your Revolut virtual card, well, it's actually pretty simple. So if you're familiar of using actual cards or physical cards when you make transactions, well, it's actually kind of similar on how we actually use a virtual Revolut card. So in this case, a Revolut virtual card will have a card number, a CVV, and an expiration date. So whenever you check out on a specific website, let's say in Shopify or even in Netflix or in any website that you're going to make purchases, what you need to do here is you just need to enter the card number and the CVV as well as the expiration date for you to complete the transaction. So typically, the Revolut virtual card will work as you would with a Visa or a MasterCard. So you can go ahead and just use it normally in a online transaction. Now, I do have to give you more information about this one, so you can actually view those details via the app itself. So you just need to click on the show details for the card itself, and you'll be able to see these details that I'm talking about. But yeah, so if you want to learn more about this one, you can go ahead and go to help.revolut.com. They will have information on how to use your virtual card here. As you can see on my screen, this is directly from their website. But yeah, so that's how you use a Revolut virtual card. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.